What time is it? Learning to tell time in French. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of time in French. Knowing how to tell time in French is essential for everyday conversations, travel, and appointments. Let's get started. In French, time is usually told on a 24-hour clock, especially in formal situations like train schedules or official appointments. For instance, 15:03 p.m. is 15 heures. For informal settings, the 12-hour clock is common. To ask the time, you say quelle heure est-il? When answering, use heure for o'clock. For example, 3 p.m. is 3 heures in the 12-hour format. To express half past the hour, use et demi. For example, 3:30 p.m. is 3 heures et demie. For quarter past and quarter to, use et quart and moins le quart. So 3:15 p.m. is 3 heures et quart, and 2:45 p.m. is 3 heures moins le quart. For specific minutes, say the hour followed by the minutes. For instance, 3:10 p.m. is 3 heures 10. If the minutes are before the hour, like 3:50 p.m., say 10 minutes avant 4 heures or 4 heures moins 10. Midnight and midday have their own terms, minuit for midnight and midi for midday. So 12 p.m. is simply midi and 12 a.m. is minuit. Practice is essential for mastering time in French. Try converting times from your daily life into French, and soon you'll be telling time like a native speaker. And there you have it, a guide to telling time in French. Remember, whether it's for travel, work, or casual conversation, knowing how to tell time is an invaluable skill in your French language toolkit. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. A bientôt!